This is Giovanni with Legacy Construction. We're in Amanda Cassidy's property. Claim number 0186B as in boy, 363Z as in zebra. As you can see, we got wind damage all over the place. We've already had the adjustment. You guys are claiming that there is wind here, so we're going to be trying to attempt to repair this. I have a State Farm roof snake. I'm aware that I'm not supposed to lift these tabs above a 45-degree angle. However, I don't have a hammer on me, so I do have to use my nailer today. But I'll try to be as gentle as possible with these. Oh, come right here. Look at this. Trying to be as gentle as possible with it. Look at here. Look there. Literally trying to be gentle with it.
Got another one.
These shingles are past the point of repairability, but we'll keep trying to. All right, let's see here. Got a break here and here. All right. There's our damaged shingle. I'm barely trying to get my gun in there so I don't crease it or pry the shingle up. But I do have to make sure that these nails go in at a level, not slanted. So, okay, at this moment I have replaced that shingle. We have several issues going on. The first thing is, these shingles are completely creased now just from barely even lifting the tab up. You can see we got a crease going through here, crease through here, crease through here, crease here, crease here, crease, crease. Also, we got several tears. Where did I see that tear? Okay, so here's the tear. Here's a tear. It's a tear right there as well. We got a tear, almost a tear here. Actually a very small one there on the corner. We got a tear here. Tear here and here, and of course this one. So So you can see this has failed. Thank you.